নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু বাংলার ঘরে বাইরে। Kojagori Lokkhi Pujo. Kojagori. It came from a Sanskrit word Kojagarti, which means who is awake. But in Bengali tradition, do you know why do Bengalis keep a banana stem boat before Goddess Lokkhi during Kojagori Pujo? A humble spiritual ritual holds echoes of Bengal's forgotten sea roots. In some Bengali homes, devotees craft a small boat from banana stem called Kolagachir Bhela and keep it before the goddess during Kojagori Lokkhi Pujo. It is filled with rice, betel leaves, sindoor, and a diya, symbols of fertility and prosperity. The banana tree is sacred in Hinduism, a symbol of fertility, growth, and abundance. It is used in weddings in Durga Puja as the kola bow and in household rituals. When shaped into a boat, the banana stem becomes a vessel of blessings. A forgotten voyage. Some folklorists believe this ritual preserves Bengal's maritime memory. When traders once sailed from Bengal's river port to Sri Lanka, Java, and Sumatra, the banana boat may symbolically represent their safe return and prosperity. Bengal's maritime past. Ancient Bengal was not just about rivers, it looked out to the sea. Ports like Tomrolipto linked the Ganga Delta to faraway shores. Keeping the banana stem boat before Goddess Lokkhi may reflect the same prayer for safe passage and wealth. The Kolagachir Bhela embodies many meanings: fertility of the banana tree, life and rivers of Bengal, the journey of faith and prosperity, the wish for divine return. A single object connecting earth, water, and goddess. Each banana stem boat placed before Goddess Lokkhi is a prayer that travels through time, from Bengal's riverbanks to its oceanic past, carrying the faith that blessings will return home. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching this space for more such videos.